is Bobo Bagshee, and it is such an honor to be here at the Comedy Corner on ToffeeTV. It's cool to have such a great audience here to listen to me talk about stuff. Yay! Isn't that just what you've been waiting for? Some smarty pants know-it-all who just loves talking and goes on and on and on. Ha ha ha. But seriously, my jokes are colorful and original, just like my hair. Slick! Hi, Mom. My mom really loves it when I tell jokes at the Comedy Corner. It just saves her from having to pretend laugh at all the jokes I tell her. You know, chewing gum is sticky business. It's sweet, and you gotta sink your teeth into it and really work it. I love chewing gum. I can eat it all day long. But you know what I hate?
No!
Do you know what I absolutely hate about it?
No!
When someone spits out a perfectly good water gum on the ground just before I step into it.
Yeah.
Who would want to waste gum by spitting it on the ground? Who are these types of people? Why wouldn't they just stick the gum in their hair?
Ew.
Or in their pockets?
Ew.
Or, you know, behind their ear?
Ew.
The way that normal kids do. That way they can take it out and chew it later.
Yeah.
So these people, these spitterers types are thinking, it would be an honor to have my spit love the bottom of someone else's shoe. Like stick to them like glue. You know what I say to that? No, mister. Stick your gum where your mouth is. Chewing gum needs to be recycled. But you know, it has to be recycled in your own mouth, okay? Just like don't give it to your rabbit or your cat for them to chew on. Yuck, yuck, yuck. Even your pet will be like, this tastes funny. Did you know what would happen if you gave gum to a monkey? He'll chew it on for a few minutes, then throw it away. And that is what people are when they spit gum out. Did you know that the oldest piece of gum is 9,000 years old? Imagine putting that piece of gum back in your mouth to chew. It would literally be like taking a bite out of a sticky history. I once stuffed a lot of chewing gum into my mouth because I wanted to blow a really big bubble. So I chewed and chewed and chewed, and then I blew a bubble. And as soon as it was big, my mother opened the door, bam, in my face. And so the bubble went splat. I don't think she was very happy because I recycled all the gum right back in my mouth. You know, it's only recently that chewing gum started being made by machines. Before that, it was all handmade. Clean hands, I hope. Ha, ha, ha. But can you imagine the robots on the assembly line in a chewing gum factory? Pick up gum and wrap it up. Pick up the gum and wrap it up. And then the robot's gonna be like, hey dude, it's stuck to my finger. And now my hand, it's stuck really stuck. After a while, all of them would have so much gum stuck to them, they would stick together like best friends in a pack of robot gum, just like you and me. Ha ha. That's it for me. You've been an awesome audience. Have a good night.
Never ever miss out on an update from ToffeeTV.com. Subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell.
ToffeeTV.com.
For complete animated videos of songs and stories, subscribe to ToffeeTV.com today.